Welcome back, treasure hunters. Buying a good metal detector is the first step to starting your fun new hobby. These devices can find metal objects like gold, coins, and jewelry, making it easy and exciting to discover hidden treasures. Choosing the perfect metal detector can be overwhelming with so many options available. But don't worry, because we've done all the heavy lifting for you. We've tested, researched, and compared dozens of models to bring you 5 best options from market. Links to all products are in the description so you can check for the latest prices. If this video helps you find your perfect detector, smash that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Taking our #1 spot is the Nokta Simplex BT. And for good reason. This detector has completely revolutionized what beginners and intermediate users can expect from their first serious metal detector. The Simplex BT features 4 highly effective preset modes specifically optimized for beach hunting, field searching, and park detecting, plus an all-metal mode that provides different audio tones for iron, precious metals, and copper objects. What sets this detector apart is its incredible lightweight design at just 2.6 pounds thanks to its carbon fiber main shaft, making those long treasure hunting sessions much more comfortable. The detector boasts an impressive 11-inch circular search coil that can detect targets deeper underground compared to smaller coils, giving you a significant advantage in finding buried treasures. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 12 hours of continuous use, and you can even extend that by connecting a portable power bank. Perhaps most importantly, it's fully waterproof up to 16 feet, so you can hunt right at the water's edge without worry. The Bluetooth headphone compatibility eliminates tangled wires while providing crystal clear audio feedback. Our second recommendation is the Minelab Vanquish 440, which brings professional level multi-frequency technology to the enthusiast market. Unlike single frequency detectors that work like a spotlight, the Vanquish 440 operates like a floodlight, simultaneously using multiple electromagnetic frequencies to provide superior target identification and better performance in mineralized soils. This advanced technology allows experienced users to distinguish between different metal types with remarkable accuracy and filter out unwanted targets like iron objects and trash. The detector features Minelab's renowned build quality and has benefited from the company bringing their warranty and repair services back in-house, resulting in faster, more professional customer support. While it has a smaller search coil compared to our top pick, this actually provides advantages in trashy areas where precise target pinpointing is crucial. The Vanquish 440 is perfect for dedicated hobbyists who enjoy mastering sophisticated tools and want to take their detecting skills to the next level. The Garrett Ace 300 represents outstanding value in the entry-level metal detector category. This detector features Garrett's digital target ID system that displays target information on a scale from 0 to 99, giving users precise feedback about potential finds before they start digging. The Ace 300 operates at 8 kHz frequency, providing excellent sensitivity to low and medium conductivity targets, including gold and silver jewelry. One of the standout features is the 7 by 10-inch search coil that offers excellent ground coverage while maintaining good depth penetration. The detector includes 5 distinct search modes that can be tailored to different hunting environments, from coin shooting in parks to relic hunting in fields. The Ace 300 also features 8 sensitivity and depth adjustment settings, allowing users to fine-tune performance based on ground conditions. Electronic pinpointing helps locate targets precisely, making recovery quick and efficient. The detector's ergonomic design and intuitive controls make it accessible for beginners, while offering enough advanced features to keep intermediate users engaged. Next, for those seeking professional level performance, the Garrett Ace Apex delivers cutting-edge technology in a user-friendly package. This detector features Garrett's revolutionary multiflex multi-frequency technology, allowing it to excel in various detecting scenarios from coin shooting to beach hunting. The Apex includes wireless headphones with Z-Link technology, freeing users from tangled wires during long hunting sessions. The iron volume control feature is particularly innovative, allowing users to independently adjust the volume of iron targets, helping experienced hunters focus on valuable finds while filtering out unwanted junk. The detector offers 6 detection modes, including a custom mode for personalized settings, plus high-resolution ground balance with 175 points of resolution for optimal performance in challenging soil conditions. The 5-tone audible target ID system provides excellent audio feedback, while the hybrid audio system enhances target identification capabilities. Direct drive buttons and easy menu access streamline operation, making this advanced detector surprisingly user-friendly. Rounding out our list is the Bounty Hunter Tracker 4, which holds the distinction of being the best-selling and most reviewed metal detector on Amazon. This detector proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to start treasure hunting successfully. The TK4 offers reliable performance for beginners who want to explore the hobby without a major financial commitment. Despite its budget-friendly positioning, the Tracker 4 includes essential features like discrimination control to filter out unwanted targets, adjustable sensitivity for different ground conditions, and a clear audio feedback system. The detector's simple operation makes it perfect for children and adults just starting their metal detecting journey. While it may not have the advanced features of higher-end models, the TK4 has proven its worth through thousands of positive user experiences and successful finds. The lightweight design and straightforward controls mean users can focus on learning proper detecting techniques without being overwhelmed by complex settings. There you have it, treasure hunters, the 5 best metal detectors available on Amazon right now. If you're just starting out, the Nokta Simplex BT offers the perfect combination of advanced features and user-friendly operation. For those wanting professional multi-frequency technology, the Minelab Vanquish 440 is your best bet. The Garrett Ace 300 provides excellent value with digital target ID, while the Ace Apex brings wireless convenience and cutting-edge features. And for budget-conscious beginners, the Bounty Hunter TK4 has proven itself through countless successful hunts. Remember, the best metal detector is the one that matches your experience level, budget, and hunting goals. All of these detectors have earned their spots through real-world performance and user satisfaction. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the most current pricing and availability. Which detector caught your attention? Drop a comment below and let us know what type of treasure hunting you're planning to do. If this video helped you make a decision, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more gear reviews and treasure hunting tips. Happy hunting, and may your coils always find gold.